Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, Understanding Beyond Labels. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, is increasingly acknowledged as a varied neurodevelopmental condition with its global prevalence, including in India, demonstrating a notable upward trend. It is imperative to transcend reductive labels and misconceptions that frame ASD as a disease. Instead, ASD should be understood as a spectrum of neurological differences that influence individuals' perception, information processing, communication, and interaction with their environment. Recent advances in scientific research, both globally and within India, have significantly enhanced the understanding of ASD. Emerging evidence highlights a multifactorial etiology involving genetic, environmental, and neurobiological components. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the core characteristics of ASD, addresses prevalent myths, examines etiological and diagnostic frameworks, and reviews contemporary, evidence-based strategies aimed at promoting autonomy, psychosocial well-being, and inclusive participation for children on the spectrum. Introduction. Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, is a lifelong condition that affects how a person communicates, interacts with others, and experiences the world. It appears early in childhood, often before the age of 3, though it may not be diagnosed until later. People with autism may have difficulty with social skills and may show repetitive behaviors or strong interests in specific topics. Because it is a spectrum, symptoms and support needs vary widely, from individuals needing significant help to those who are independent but face social challenges. Autism is not an illness to be cured but a different way of thinking and living. Its causes are linked to a mix of genetic and environmental factors. As awareness grows, especially in countries like India, early diagnosis and personalized support can help individuals with autism lead fulfilling lives. Embracing neurodiversity promotes inclusion and helps society support people with different abilities and perspectives. Conclusion. Autism spectrum disorder is a complex condition that requires an in-depth understanding and empathetic support. By dismissing myths, promoting acceptance, and providing appropriate resources and services, children with ASD can prosper and reach their optimal potential and become respected members of society. Agrawal, 2024. Views on autism spectrum disorder, ASD, vary widely depending on personal experiences, cultural backgrounds, and levels of understanding. In some countries, basic development therapies are forming part of the early school curriculum and aid every kid for optimal development irrespective of any diagnosis. In a nutshell, supporting children with ASD requires a multifaceted approach that addresses their unique strengths, challenges, and needs across various domains of life. By implementing these strategies along with the early intervention, children can be empowered to lead fulfilling and meaningful lives as valued members of society. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.